What is up, you guys? It's Keith from Stock Hours here, back again with another educational video. So today we're going to be going over which brokers you should use, which brokers you should stick away from, and what my personal favorite broker is for scalping options. So before we get into the brokers that I personally recommend and use for day trading and scalping options, we're going to go over some of the ones that I think you should stick away from. Those being Robinhood and Webull, and any other free, no commission trading platforms. Even though these platforms say they're free and they don't charge you a commission, they still have to make money. So how do they do that? When you place an order with one of these platforms, your order gets routed through another market maker who pays Robinhood, Webull, whatever the platform, on behalf of the business that they are bringing in. To summarize that, you are compromising your quick and accurate fills just to save money on commissions. Let's put that in perspective with some large sizing. Say you're trading a $30,000 position on SPY, with SPY contracts being around $100 when they're at the money. That means you're going to have to buy 300 contracts to be able to get your $30,000 position size. If they let your order slip, say around 2-3 cents away from what your fill should have been, that means you're down about $900 just off of your fill. Now, what sounds cheaper to you? Paying commission or being down $900 on your position just because you got a bad fill from the broker? It doesn't really make sense, right? So this is why I'm going to go into the brokers that I do recommend. This is a pretty typical platform that I'm pretty sure everybody in the US uses at some point or another, right? That being ThinkOrSwim by TD Ameritrade, which you can actually see right here and right there. So everybody loves ThinkOrSwim for the charts, and I do too. Some people prefer to execute with this platform as well, just to keep it simple, but I personally like using ThinkOrSwim for charts. They have all right fills. You will be paying commission, but you're going to get way better fills than anything you ever could on Robinhood or Webull. The downside to ThinkOrSwim is some of the tools that we like to use just aren't as good on this platform as they could be. Now, don't get me wrong, the charts on this platform are fantastic. I think it's great for charting. I think it's great for long-term investing. It's not my personal favorite for scalping and day trading options though. Because there's so many platforms out there, it's nice because you can experiment. And I've personally used every platform that I'm going to talk about today, including Robinhood and Webull. So don't think I'm just pulling that out of nowhere. I have used and tested all of these platforms on a live account with real money. So don't think that I'm getting these recommendations for no reason. So like I said, ThinkOrSwim, great platform for charting, great platform if you want to do some long-term investing or even some day trading with shares. Options wise, I think there's a lot better platforms out there, and I'm going to get into the next one, which is my second favorite platform that I have ever used, that being eTrade Pro. The reason I like eTrade Pro so much is because you can customize your platform to however you want it to be. You can with ThinkOrSwim as well, but personally, it's a lot cleaner on eTrade Pro. Not to mention, the fills with eTrade are just better than ThinkOrSwim's. The market fills on ThinkOrSwim are atrocious. They're still better than Robinhood and Webull, but the market fills on ThinkOrSwim compared to eTrade Pro is night and day. And market fills is what I use a lot of the time whenever I'm scalping these options, because it's extremely difficult to enter in an exact limit price on a breakout and actually get filled. The good news with eTrade and ThinkOrSwim is if you are trading shares, your commissions are still free. You do have commission on options trades though. These commissions can be reduced by making 30 plus trades per quarter, or by calling and just simply asking, can I get a lower rate on my commissions? 9 times out of 10, they will give it to you. So now we've gone over the platforms that I like, the reasons why I like the actual brokerage. Now we're going to get to my personal favorite brokerage and platform out there, that being Interactive Brokers. Interactive Brokers is a very amazing platform. It has a ton of tools that are perfect for exactly what we do. The level 2 on E-Trade is very, very good, but the level 2 on Interactive is a completely different ballgame. Not to mention the execution on Interactive is absolutely top-notch. You can customize your own buttons on Interactive just specifically for how you want to trade. So me personally, I have my market buy, market sell. I have my flatten button. I have a limit slippage button for the buy and a limit slippage button for the sell. This meaning I can enter in my limit fills just like I could a market fill, and I will almost always get filled. Almost always. So my personal limit buttons, I have my buy plus 1.25% and my sell minus 1.25%, being buy plus 1.25 on the bid and sell being minus 1.25 on the ask. So I'm almost always going to get perfect fills on Interactive. Once again, this is a very customizable platform. You can customize pretty much everything about it. You can make your layout however you want. You can see it over here, not in too much detail, but right here I have my level 2 for the stock. I have my level 2 for the options. I have my options chain back here. I have my watch list that's linked to everything. I have my order entry window, my P&L window, and my book trader right up here. So it's really a perfect platform for me. You can also customize it great on a laptop if you trade from a laptop. On my main setup, obviously I can have everything kind of spread out more, but whenever I'm on the go, you can really dumb it down just as simple as having one chart for your stock on ThinkOrSwim. You can have your one level 2 for the stock, and you can have your book trader all pulled up with no problems. I will say the commissions on Interactive are more, but are they worth it? 100%. 100% worth it. The amount of money you're going to save by getting those perfect fills all the time versus the amount of money you're going to miss out on because of the commission you're paying is night and day. It is 100% worth it. So I hope this has helped you guys pick your brokerage, pick what would work best for you. I would highly recommend doing some more research, maybe even just downloading the platforms and checking them out before you make a decision. But like I said, hope this helps you guys out. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I hope you have a great rest of your week and end the week green. Peace.